So welcome to the pre-markets watch lists for today's session, Thursday, 8 September. Let's check the stock screener. So I have three different kind of watch lists. I have a breakout watch list, a retracement watch list, and a mean reversion watch list. So without further ado, let's get it on. So first of all, the breakout above the 10-day high. So as you can see, the basic filters, in this case Canada only, average volume more than 100K, and price above 5, and the volume has to be at least twice as much as the day before. So volume 100% more than the previous volume. So this is not a good setup. Next is the same but for Europe. No candidates at all. Then for the US, the same filters, only the volume filter, the average volume filter is slightly more, it's 300K. And this is an interesting one, Canadian Solar, CSIQ, a breakout on higher volume. So I'm going to add this one to my breakout 10 above the 10-day high. Ocular Therapeutics, that's also a nice breakout, adding it to the watch list. Same for AMRC. SunPower, but it's already more than 10% up. So if you want to exclude these kind of setups, go to the performance tab. So the day performance, it has to be at least 0%, but I'm also going to add a maximum filter. So at most 10%. And let's revisit the charts. Okay, that should do it. Next is the breakout above the 52-week high. Again, let's start with Canada. Europe, no setups. US, just one setup, but I don't like it. Long upper tail. The next screen is a retracement screen. The first one is based on the SMA 10 and SMA 20. So the price should be above the SMA 20, but it should be below the SMA 10. So for US only, there are no setups. Canada, no setups. And Europe, one setup, but no. This is the 10 and 20 SMA, as you can see. It's very close to the top, to resistance, so I will not retain this setup. Next one is also a retracement screen, but based on the 20 and 50 simple moving average. So first Canada, no setups. Europe, I'm going to change the main chart view. So SMA 20 and SMA 50, no. And then for the US, nothing that grabs my attention. Next one is also retracement screen based on the force index. So main chart, changing this to retracement force. So this screen, I'm using three different force index indicators: the 100 period, 14 period, and the 2 period. So force 100 is positive, force 14 is also positive, and the force 2 is just becoming positive. Extreme networks, the candle is too short, don't like it. TAL, that could be a reversal. I'm going to add this one to my retracement force index screen. This is a double bottom, so also adding it to this watch list. Oh. VIPS, very nice bullish candle and higher volume. I'm going to add it, retracement force index watch list. Okay, and then a mean reversion screen based on the Bollinger Bands. So the main chart, Bollinger Bands mean reversion, chart settings. Shockwave Medical, a nice reversal pattern, bullish engulfing. So the last trading session close was again above the lower Bollinger Bands. So I'm going to add this to my mean reversion Bollinger Bands watch list. Conagra Brands, very strong bullish candle. The mean reversion watch list. The same for Edison International. And Activision Blizzard. Also adding it to the mean reversion Bollinger Bands. So it is the first screen based on the Bollinger Bands, and this screen is quite strict because one of the filters is that the closing price of the last candle has to be above the high price of the previous candle. And the second mean reversion breakout screen, mean reversion Bollinger Bands screen is the same, but as you can see, one of the filters that the close should be above the high of the previous candle is deleted. So in that way you have more setups, as you can see. So these were all my screens. And now I'm going to the stock charts, opening the Breakout 10-day watch list. So now you can examine the stocks more in detail individually. And what I like to do to start is to change the view to 2 charts. In that way I have immediately the weekly chart and the daily chart. If you want to change the settings, you can do so by clicking on the main chart or the secondary chart. So the secondary chart is a weekly chart. I have the ChartMill trend overlay. And you can change this, the time frame, the type, the period, and adding other technical indicators, for example. And the same for the main chart. This is a time period 4 months. You can change it to 6 months, for example, but I like to use 4 months. And now you can compare the weekly and the daily time frame. So as you can see, for these breakouts stocks, the long-term trend for Canadian solar is positive. This is the daily chart. If you want, you can use the annotation tool. Just click this icon, adding a horizontal support and resistance line, for example. Next one is Ocular Therapeutics. Long-term trend was definitely down, but now it just changed to positive this last week. I'm not sure you can see it. I will change my secondary chart to best fit 1. That should do it. As you can see, it turned green, so it just became positive. So there is also some huge volume over here. So this is the breakout level. And then to end, Amaresco, also green, and current resistance. To define the setup, you can use our position sizing tool. That is this icon, the position sizing tool. This is quite handy. Just click in the chart once and place the cursor just above the last candle, for example. Right click, entry goes here, and then for the stop loss, just below the ascending SMA 20, exit goes here. And this is the position sizing tool. So the percentage risk is set at 1%. Current capital is 25,000 euro or dollar. You can change all these settings. You can change all these settings. So in this case, with this kind of percentage risk and an entry at 47.6 with a stop loss at 43.01, you can buy 54 shares with a total risk of approximately $250. So the entry price is 47.6 and the high of the current candle is 47.16. This high is 47.69. So changing this to 7.2, for example. There is a warning for the stop distance, because the stop is only 1.5 the average true range, so 1.5 ATR, the stop distance. It will give a warning as long as the stop distance is below 2 ATR. So if you are a swing trader, you can change the exit price, for example 41.25. That's slightly more than 2 ATR. Now if you are more focused on the short term, it's more logical to use a tighter stop loss. It all depends on your own trading style. But the position sizing tool is quite a handy tool to calculate how much shares you may buy with your current available capital. So next, you can do the same. Main chart, selecting the main chart and then examining the breakouts above the 52-week high, but there were none, so it doesn't change. The retracement setups, there were none for the 10 and 20 SMA, and then the mean reversion setups. Changing the view settings, the chart settings to mean reversion. Again, two charts as view type, so you can quickly check the long-term trend. And if you want to, using the position sizing tool again, entry goes here, exit just below this swing low, and all the information is available in the position sizing tool. Retracement force index, view settings, retracement force. So this TAL education group, the long-term trend is bearish, and now it's already since August 2021 it's sideways. And then Enovix Corporation, double bottom, long-term trend since the beginning of August, the second week it turned positive, the long-term trend. So the next first target is around here, and this is the double bottom I was talking about. So nice risk reward if you enter just above the high of this candle. So first of all, selecting the position sizing tool, and then right click, entry goes here, exit below the support level. Commission 0, you can apply it for yourself, 0, for example 50,000, entry at 20.49, and the high of this candle is 20.29, and the exit at 17.69, and the low of this candle is 18. So with these settings and a capital of 50,000, you can buy almost 180 shares for a total risk of $500, which is 1% of the available capital. So for example, if I'm changing this to 0.5, all these metrics will change. So the total risk now is 250 because you have changed your percentage risk. By using predefined screens and adding stocks to different watch lists, in no time you have a nice list of stocks that show interesting setups. And each setup can then be explored in more detail. By clicking on this profile, the open profile icon, you go to a separate profile page of the stock where you can find a lot of additional information. For example, this is the complete company profile page with the latest news. Then you have a complete technical analysis page, a fundamental analysis report, profitability, valuation, growth, the health of the firm, dividend policy, and so on. And then the analyst ratings, the price targets, median, mean, and high, the latest up and downgrades, and the estimates, financials with the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow. And the ownership, shares outstanding, the free float, insider and institutional owners, and so on. And the last tab is the news tab. So if you like these kind of pre-market videos, definitely give us a thumbs up, but also let us know in the comment section below so we can offer these types of videos on a more regular basis. So trade safe, and I see you next time.